Welcome to Soezzeapp. Now shops can register with us through our website also. Log in from the third option, Shop Sign In. Enter your email ID and the password provided by Soezzeapp admin. On the top right is our dashboard where you will see all your order details, product sales, recent order information. Click on Shop to update your shop details and upload a clear image. Select your category from the list. If not, then add a new category with the right picture. Next, add items from the provided list. If you don't find yours, add your own items with the right picture. In the dispatcher section, shop can find the incoming and accepted order list. Click on the bank details to save your banking details or e-wallet where you'll receive your payments from Soezzeapp. Under Wallet, you can find your order transaction details. Click on the request history if you want to view your order history detail. In the last statement section, you can find statement of your order transactions and also statement of your store products. That's it. Now you're with Soezzeapp.